Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. I would like to introduce you to my favorite vegan dish. It's called Mujadara. It's very easy to make and has a quite distinct flavor. I'll start with adding the oil to my hot pan. Now my oil is ready. I'm gonna carefully add my onions. This is gonna go as a garnish on my mujadara. After frying the onions, I set them aside and I did not discard the oil. I used the same oil for cooking my mujadara. Pan is hot and I'm gonna start by adding my basmati rice. Black lentils. Also, the lentils has been soaked in water overnight. Yes. Now I'm gonna add my liquid, which is regular tap water. You can add vegetable stock if you want. I like to keep the dish simple. 1 inch above the rice. Now I'm gonna add my spices. A hint of cumin, a hint of coriander, some white pepper, some salt, go light on the salt. I like to add my bay leaves. My mujadara is ready. Now I'm gonna pile high my crunchy fried onions. Look to this color, sun-kissed. Try it, leave a comment, and I will be back with another interesting Mediterranean recipe.